Let me tell you something. The reInvent is all about networking. And in this video, I'll show you how important this event is. If you never attended this event before, you're gonna have an idea about how big this event is. Or even if you have been attending this event for a while, maybe you can change your perspective. I spoke with a couple of friends from the community during the event. We talked about the event itself, the announcements, and the road to reInvent, the hackathon. So check it out how important this event is for you, your career, and your company, and the best announcements, at least in your opinion. And if I were you, I'd subscribe to this channel right now and hit that subscribe button. Follow me. Just some interesting things about the event. The event usually happens in Las Vegas the week after the Thanksgiving, in different venues, and that makes you walk a lot. For sure you got tired. And of course that most of the announcements were about AI, or even something related with AI, right? For a couple of friends and me, the event starts a bit different this year, with Road to reInvent, the hackathon, from Los Angeles to Las Vegas. And that was my first time being a speaker at this event, in 2 talks actually. So this event is the biggest cloud event in the world, and it had a lot of talks, more than 100 announcements, and more than 400 pre-event announcements. Besides that, of course, we had a great keynotes with Matt, Sammy, Peter DeSantis, and of course, Dr. Werner Vogels, who announced that it was his last time as a keynoter at this event. The event has a great expo with a lot of sponsors, a lot of happy hours, parties, and the replay party to close the event. So check out what my friends have to say about this event. All right, guys, Fernando Pena here again, this time in person at the reInvent with Ryan. Hey, Ryan.
Hey.
How are you doing so far?
Good to
Nice.
see you. Yeah.
I'm here now with Sammy. Right? How are you doing, Sammy, so far?
Doing good.
Now I'm here with Matt and Andres. So,
I'm on a lot of coffee right now, so.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
And just for you guys to understand this voice and my face look tired, it's Thursday, basically the last day of the reInvent. We still have the entire day to walk and meet a lot of people.
I actually a little bit almost checked out last night because it's just so
Yeah,
intense.
I know.
It's a good kind of tired.
Yeah, that's good. What are your thoughts so far?
This has been such a great experience. This has been completely different this is my second reInvent, so this is a completely different experience from my first one.
This is actually my 7th reInvent.
Yes.
I thought I'm going to retire after this year, but after I met all the friends, old friends, new friends, and something excited, I say I will be back.
Your thoughts about the event?
It's been incredible, right? All 3 of us were on Road to reInvent, and
Yeah.
now we're kind of wrapping up with, we just watched Werner Vogel's keynote and just preparing to go party at Replay.
Just, I think a big part of that is being like a part of the community builders program and just like getting to meet like you and doing the hackathon and just getting to hang out here with everybody. It's just, the energy's infectious.
That's cool.
It just makes you want to get back and start building stuff.
Yeah, for sure, yeah.
So the long story short is I reInvent doesn't matter is the first time,
Yeah.
which you will be excited, or the second or your 14th time. Some of you actually done it 14 times. Sorry.
Yeah.
No, actually, great for you. Is the technology, the people, the value you get, and the value you can give back.
There was a big push this week about Kiro and agentic development, and stack-driven development. I mean, Werner's keynote, like
Full keynote was around how coding agents are making a big difference in how we work, but kind of looking at the future of how we work with them and not become obsolete, right? So basically, keep going. They're not replacing us or anything.
Yeah, exactly. The Werner's keynote was like really about the development and all this hype about AI will take your job or not, and
Right.
how you should prepare yourself for the future. So that was really cool. And I'm really happy that most of the things are based on Kiro, because we've been using that a lot, right?
Yeah.
I met so many newcomers, they say they don't know how to do the journey, but I say that I don't know how your journey is going to look like, but I can share what worked for me, what doesn't work for you. So you figure it out, and you also help other people. That is the actual meaning of reInvent, not just a technology.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, for me, someone asked me yesterday if I have just one word for the reInvent, it's networking, meeting people, making friends. You know, that's exactly like that, because the technology you can access over internet, whatever you are, but meeting people and giving back, that's awesome.
You know another thing? Technology change over time. What you know before get outdated. Networking connection, the more you connect with someone, the more value you get. That's why networking is 10 times better than a technology. But we still use technology because that's kind of conduit to connect people together.
About all the announcements, what you got most excited?
I think that I've really just kind of started to scratch the surface with AI, and we got to use, I think Kiro is probably the most exciting thing. Even though Kiro's already been out and we've used it a lot for the hackathon, this has kind of made me realize that like I want to start diving into it way more and using it. I feel like I've only been using it like to maybe like 10% of its total like power of what it can do.
That's true.
And so I think it wasn't exactly an announcement, but I think that's probably the biggest takeaway from it is that I want to start using it more and probably make it like the main IDE that I use. And so that's what's really exciting to me.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. What about you?
Well, I got really excited with the Frontier agents.
Yeah.
With all the security and DevOps agents that we can make everything easier. I just would like to try and check how everything works.
Yeah.
And at the same you have like Kiro Autonomous, something that looks like really cool.
Yeah.
But
that security agent for the automated pen testing, I thought was
really
like
important.
super cool.
Yeah, and it's super important.
Yeah.
Because usually companies hire a third company for doing that. So if you got like a teammate in your team doing that for you, that's the agent. That's nice.
Yeah, that's really cool.
What stood out to you about the announcements?
Yes, just Happy Monday. You talk about that the AI really now is transforming life, not just for business, for personal use. And I'm pretty sure many of you using AI help you to maybe correct grammar, generate graphic, but there's just a little scratch the surface. What I want you or for us to do is not just what they tell us, what are the new announcements. For example, they say have I think it's called agentic AI for DevOps. So you say, oh, I'm losing my job because I'm a DevOps. No. Your job will be more interesting. Less repetitive work. Because when I started, I write assembly program. Now you want me to say jump, move, AX? Thanks, I don't do it. But the thing is, I use your own creativity, use our collective knowledge sharing. We can come up with how can we use the tools better. That is actually the message. The tools going to be better, the hardware going to be better, but we come up with the solution, bring value to us and also our customer or the community.
Yeah, totally. Exactly like that. You have to use the tools to make your life easier, safer, right? That'll be awesome.
And also another one is since I've been in technology long enough, 30 plus years in IT, when first, maybe I would say this, some of people probably haven't even used it, but heard about that punch card. Oh, I can no longer use punch card, I lose my job. Do you seriously want to read the punch card? No. Or floppy disk. But maybe you use floppy disk, some of you are younger one, floppy what? Technology moves such a way we can use technology to help us do better. So never think the technology is going to replace you. But instead say, technology will replace the work I do not want to do.
Yeah.
So I can do what I love to do.
Yeah, that's great. Nice thoughts. And we have a lot of, not just at Reynolds, but a lot of announcements related for developers and with agents and AI. What are your thoughts about the announcements? What called your attention?
I mean, a lot of the agent core stuff sounds really exciting. Like I'm looking forward to diving deeper into that. When I get back from reInvent, my brain recovers a little bit.
Cool. And you, Andres?
Yeah, so as well, Agent Core, so providing tooling to basically make agents more deterministic and provide the results we're expecting and not vary too much. And as far as Kiro, like the autonomous agent
Yeah.
and the DevOps agent and security agents, again,
All the frontier agents, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
right.
more things to verify the result of the code generation. So just helping you produce better code, reducing that reviews or like the pull request review cycle
Yeah.
that Werner was talking
Exactly.
about in the keynote.
As Matt mentioned, I'm really curious to
Oh,
start
yeah.
testing, you know.
Yep.
Yeah, I wanted to try like yesterday morning, but that's
I
just
know.
too difficult to do that while
We need
talking to a
time.
lot of
Yeah.
people
We
and
need
so
time.
much time.
So
Are you a runner?
do you have the?
I did the 5K. Yeah, the reason why I'm saying I like to end this.
You know, I was walking a lot, so I too tired. So I say no, I'm not running 5K. I'll be a runner next year.
Yes. The reason why I'm saying how I start my cloud journey is something to do my running journey. When I first started, I do not think marathon is easy. Many people think, but now for me, running a marathon is just like go to the shopping mall. Reason is I build a base. Same thing for your journey. Doesn't matter you're a new beginner, start a business. You can go further, but do not think about it. Start do, and then improve and find your own path. And if it's too difficult, why run 5K? Call Uber.
Yeah.
But on the other hand, it gives me freedom. I can pick Uber, I can walk, or I can maybe call a drone, maybe near future, you can just drone deliver, pick you up and deliver. I don't know. But the whole thing is find out your passion, start today. That's the message we want, we're all going to learn from it.
That's awesome. And talking about the hackathon, how was your experience?
The hackathon was a lot of fun. Just like I thought, the first hour was a little rough because I got a little motion sick, but the Dramamine kicked in, and after that, it was a good experience. Like the buses were really cool, like full-on tour buses.
Huge product. So Sammy was in the Road to Hackathon. As
Go
well.
Team Peng.
Yeah.
Yeah, Royal Blue, right?
Royal Blue.
Yes.
What you feel about the Road to Hackathon?
I mean, I loved it. I thought it was a great experience, and I mean, who doesn't want a 1 in 10 shot at taking home 20K?
Yep.
Yeah, and some people that we met, like they're gonna be like friends for life.
We don't get the prize money.
We don't get the prize, but we had an amazing experience.
Oh, yes.
Right? I was just talking to Ryan. I felt like it was all close friends, all family, doing something fun. You know, you see that the time flew by, and we didn't even realize that was like 6 hours. It was amazing. It was fun. We made new friends. And that's awesome, especially because of the challenge. It was something completely, I can say fun, but
It was a little ridiculous.
ridiculous.
Sure.
Yeah. Thanks for your word. Yeah, I was trying not to say, but exactly that.
Yeah.
I think the prompt was fun too, having to build a useless, overcomplicated, impractical app. Like that was unique. No two projects were alike from any of the teams, which was cool.
That was definitely a curveball. There's no way I could have expected that.
And that makes everything completely nice because if you think about like being a bus for 6 hours, that's just crazy. Yeah. But yeah, I believe all teams were getting prepared for the hackathon, right? Like for doing something serious. Mm-hmm. And when they brought the challenge, I was talking to Ryan. Ryan said that was ridiculous. Yeah, exactly. But ridiculous and brilliant because that's what make everything fun. And we basically enjoy and have fun all the time. For sure.
For sure.
Yeah.
That was so cool.
I think that having that kind of that element of ridiculousness to it is what enabled everything to go so smoothly, because I don't feel like anybody was taking things too seriously.
Yeah.
And I feel like it was funny because you could laugh about stuff. You'd come up with these funny ideas and like tell somebody and everyone would laugh about it. And so that kind of helped ease some of the tension, I think, that sometimes surrounds hackathons. And I agree, the time flew by. Especially after we stopped for lunch and we got back on the bus, that final 3 hours was gone like just instantly.
That's cool.
Yeah.
And so you do it again if you got invited?
I would probably do it again. Yeah,
Cool,
I think it was that much fun. Would you do it again?
For sure.
Yeah.
That's so.
Sorry, I had to do a quick thing. Loyal to No, geez. Again, loyal to Kiro. Kiro to
Royal.
loyal. That's the royal thing. Kiro, hero. We won.
Yeah.
We won. Yes.
Sammy is also a golden jacket, right?
Yes,
Yeah, they
I
have
have
the golden jacket
my golden jacket, and I'm not going to put it on because people put it on too many times.
Yeah.
And I know I like to show off, but not to show off myself. To show off the value of when you start your journey. That's sometimes nice to have a token. And another token is AWS give me the official one from the training and a certification one. But this one I got when I was working for Pena. And for you, for anyone, I think you also get a golden jacket or almost there.
No. I'm
He won't have 3 or 4.
Yeah.
But
I have only 5 from 12. Yeah.
That's actually a good point. Do not chase the golden jacket. Do not chase fully certified, but follow your passion, learn what you need, and learn a little bit more. Then maybe you get golden jacket, but even you don't get golden jacket, you go the golden path for you.
Yeah, for sure. That's amazing. And Sammy is the guy that I know that has the major number of certifications in life. And just a crazy guy that's completely intelligent and brilliant. I'm glad to be your friend and have the opportunity to meet with you. That's really cool. Yeah, that's
sure.
nice, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah,
So
for sure.
really good to see you here.
Yeah, good to see you
And
too. Yeah.
Have a very good rest of reInvent.
Yeah,
and
thank
very
you.
fun at the replay today.
Thanks. Yeah, you as well. Conserve your energy.
Yeah.
For sure.
Great. Thank you, man. Sammy, thank you so much for being here. I'm glad to be your friend and have the opportunity to meet you like every year in this event and probably many other events. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm glad because the reInvent is that event that we can put everyone together.
Yeah.
So that's the first time I could meet Andres and stay together in the same event. We just talk online. I read new Matt from the other events, and there's a lot of people that I just see here on career. So that's amazing for networking, making friends, and I'm really glad. So again, thank you so much, guys.
Yeah,
for
absolutely.
being part of all of this, and I hope to see you guys next year again or
First replay, but
First replay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's go then.
Awesome.
Have a nice replay. Enjoy
You
it.
too.
Thank you.
Do it.
Thank you.
Yeah.